Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start the revision with rhyming words. All of you open your revision paper for your periodic test 2. In your previous class, you have done the revision in missing letters and meanings. And in today's class, I am going to continue the revision from rhyming words. See the first one. Grow, low, show, flow. Grow, low, show, flow. Grow, low, show, flow. Grow, low, show, flow. Second one. Cows, bows, allows, plows. Bows, allows, plows. Bows, allows, plows. Cows, bows, allows, plows. Third one. Sun, gun, fun, bun. Sun, gun, fun, bun. Sun, gun, fun, bun. Sun, gun, fun, bun. Fourth one. No, snow, blow, glow. No, snow, blow, glow. No, snow, blow, glow. Fifth one. Bows, rouse, arouse, browse. Bows, rouse, arouse, browse. Bows, arouse, browse. Bows, rouse, arouse, browse. Okay. Again I am going to repeat rhyming words, children, you to read along with me. First one. Grow, low, show, flow. Second one. Cows, bows, allows, plows. Cows, bows, allows, plows. Third one. Sun, gun, fun, bun. Sun, gun, fun, bun. Fourth one. No, snow, blow, glow. No, snow, blow, glow. Fifth one. Bows, rouse, arouse, browse. Bows, rouse, arouse, browse. Next, complete these sentences with prepositions of time. You have to complete these sentences. You have to fill these sentences by using preposition of time. What is the preposition of time, children? Preposition of time are used to indicate a point of time or extended time. So, to indicate a particular time or some extended time means more time from now. We use prepositions of time, okay? And after, like after, for, in, within, at, on, in, during, until, since, till, all these are prepositions of time, okay? See the first one. We have lived here since 2012. So this is indicating a time, right? We have lived here dash 2012. We have lived here since 2012. Second one. Kashmir is beautiful dash spring. Kashmir is beautiful during spring season. Kashmir is beautiful during spring. Third one. Please wait for me dash I finish. Please wait for me till I finish. Fourth one. We left dash, she got home. We left until she got home. Fifth one. I will meet you dash 2 hours. I will meet you in 2 hours. Again I am repeating prepositions of time. Listen carefully, children. We have lived here since 2012. Kashmir is beautiful during spring. Please wait for me till I finish. We left until she got home. I will meet you in 2 hours. Next, choose the right options to complete these sentences using phrasal verbs. So, we have to choose right options from these to complete the given sentence by using phrasal verbs. Okay? See, children. What are phrasal verbs? A phrasal verb is a phrase that often has a verb in combination with a preposition. So, a phrasal verb has a verb in combination with a preposition. Verb and preposition or combination in phrasal verbs. Okay? The meaning of a phrasal verb is different from those of the words taken separately. Thrown away means wasted, like this. The meaning is separate. Let us see, children. First one. They usually go off or away for the summer. They usually go away for the summer. Okay? They usually go away for the summer. Next. I want to sleep. Please switch off or down the lights. I want to sleep. Please switch off the lights. Please switch off the lights. So, off. Third one. They were late because their car broke out or down. They were late because their car broke down. So, down. They were late because their car broke down. Fourth one. He spoke so fast that I could not make away or out what he was saying. He spoke so fast that I could not make out. Okay, I could not make out what he was saying. Fifth one. I took the fireman a whole night to put out or down the fire. I took the fireman a whole night to put down the fire. So, again I am going to repeat these phrasal verbs you to read along with me. They usually go away for the summer. I want to sleep. Please switch off the lights. They were late because their car broke down. He spoke so fast that I could not make out what he was saying. I took the fireman a whole night to put down the fire. Okay, children? Now, match the following. We will continue from match the following in our next class. Once go through the today's class, children. Rhyming words. Today we have done the revision in rhyming words, prepositions of time and phrasal verbs. So once go through the today's class and you will be having test on these 3 topics. So read carefully. Bye children. Thank you.